What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of My Fit Lifestyle. Regimen here, sharing with you the good, the bad, and the ugly of my fitness journey. So for today, we're gonna need some elastic bands. Keep it simple. To make these things harder, depending on the length of the band, step on it. So I've probably done this before with some of my exercises. I just felt like doing it today again. I love to work on my biceps. That's the thing. Biceps and triceps. That's what I focus a lot of the times. So suck in your belly, elbows just proper, straight down. Go. So these ones pretty short, so I'm gonna have to try to just use one side each. Okay. So these ones are simple. If you don't have any of the other types of elastic band, just roll it, right? So these ones are almost regular squats, except we're gonna use a resistance band to make it harder. Spread it as far as you can. If you have to, make it even harder. if you want, make it shorter, and then just lengthen it up. Hold it to your sides. At the same time, you're putting weight on your shoulders and your arm and your biceps, right? So that makes it even harder. Feels weird. Now to the ab workouts. Well, there you have it, guys. Day 7. Nice and easy, simple workouts with an elastic bands. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to have some, I'm trying to look for the best quality there is, you know, where that all around elastic band workout. Hopefully I'll find one. All right, later.